Hey, we are at the office now, and today's Saturday, but I thought I'll clean the office. Yo, there we go, our office. I always feel so happy when I'm here, maybe because I love the productivity that comes with it. But yeah, so it's been past 1 month, and we have a lot of stuff lying around here. I mean, pretty much it's clean. It's just that this table I need to clean, and this I'll just arrange a little bit, and this is a area that I need to clean. That's pretty much it. So, yeah. Now that the office looks a little bit better, let me give you a tour of the office. What is where and how do we operate? So let's get started. So this is our main work area where we all work, and Didi and I sit there. And here, if you come, we have the washrooms. I'll just close the door. For men and women. This is more like a study room. So we take our classes. We have once in a month workshops that we take, and we take them all from this room, so where all the students can sit here. So we have arrangements for about 5 students any month. These are our Alpha Club members. We keep track of their progress, and we make some plans for our company in this big giant whiteboard, right? And once you come here, this is more of a lounge area where when guests come, we do some podcasts. Sometimes we just hang out, do meetings in this. And there is a small whiteboard here to take notes as well. And this one, we really are not sure what to do with this one. We just come in and work from here whenever we want, but mostly it remains unused. You can see from the dust on the table, right? So this is one. There is one more of our rooms, which is this one, where we have one more desk. So even if let's say there are two groups of people, let's say we have a salesman meeting, we bring them here and we do the meeting here, and so that like the other people in the office, they don't get disturbed, and we can have our own meetings in this particular sessions chambers. But my favorite is this you call it our yoga room or nap room, but this is a noise cancelling room where you don't hear any of the outside noises. I think the moment I have entered, you must have seen, uh, you must have heard the difference in the audio quality, right? So what we do here is, uh, when we are sort of tired of the work, maybe we don't want to work right now and want to take a break, we just come in here, one person at a time. It's a very small room, and we just meditate. Some people just take a nap. That's why we have a pillow and a chatai here as well. Yeah, office cleaning is done. You just had a look at our big beautiful office. It's a 2000 square feet office, and we actually started in a 1 BHK flat that is just behind this office, and that's where the pixel track started. And well, within 2 years, pandemic started, and after pandemic, we took this office, and this has been our home ever since. Why I love it? Because it's very aesthetic. You know, this grayish tone, very mellow tone, helps you focus a lot. That's why I love coming back to the office every single day. I don't care if it's weekdays, weekends. I just come here and do some work, because you have a different level of productivity at the office itself. Uh, right now, we are focusing on Alpha Club, which is our consulting, where we help coaches, service providers, and consultants with the marketing and sales related topics. And it does require a lot of focus, and it's not a very startup-y thing, right? It's not a very interesting job or a tech startup out there. It's a very boring thing, right? Marketing, sales, which like every business needs, and it does need a lot of focus on every client's work. So having an office like this and having team members who come, it's really a blessing, and it helps us like focus very well. So किनको कर रहे हो? ई कॉमर्स ब्रांड्स को ही तो अभी तक इंटरनेशनल ब्रांड्स को जितने भी किए वहाँ
people's products for less, that they give something exclusive or exclusive features that no one else gets, right? And you get paid affiliate commissions for doing it. All right, that is like level 1000.
All right, so I'm going to the gym. I got this new bag, and I think I'll take my tripod also, but I don't know. Let's see. Yesterday, when I went to the gym, I was so embarrassed. I was like, should I record myself? There are other people working out. I don't know if this is for me or not. But today, I'm thinking, if I'm vlogging, might as well record some moments of me working out as well. So, yeah, that's that. Shall see you. So I'm done with my workout today. Oh, it was good. It was an arms day. I don't know if there is a pump today, but definitely there is. I can feel it. Oh, by the way, I forgot to tell you guys, I'm trying a 48-hour fast. During the last Shivratri, I had a 24-hour straight fast. I was reading about this a lot. About fasting and stuff, where a lot of people mention you actually produce human growth hormones naturally in your body when you fast for more than 24 hours. And that got me intriguing. I want to test this out on my body. So starting yesterday, last night, I had a shawarma at like 9 p.m. So today morning I have not had my breakfast, and I'll not be eating my lunch or my dinner today, not tomorrow. Tomorrow night at 9 I'll have my dinner. So that will be a proper 48-hour fast, and I'll see how it goes. Last time I did a 24-hour fast, I did not have any craving for food as such, but I'm assuming if I'm doubling it, then I will definitely have a little bit of craving on what to eat. And let's see how it goes. I'll keep you guys posted.